Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Numbnuts. I mean, Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Don't worry, ma'am. I am from the internet, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement-dwelling tech guy. I guess I'm not in the basement anymore. Anyways, today we're checking out NVIDIA GeForce GTX Titan on an i5 10. I mean, let's see how fast she goes. First off, I want to check out the AI. Now, the Titan X is only CUDA Core 3.0. You're supposed to have 5.0 to run Ollama, but I'm telling you, man, this thing can run. Yeah, I know, pick or it didn't happen, right? Here's the GeForce Titan, and whoa, we got the LED light, so it really works. I like asking it super difficult questions and seeing how long it will take. The first ones always take the longest. I swear I don't see the dust on my monitor until I start recording it. Here we go. Okay, that's pretty good. Oh, shoot. He rocked the party that rocked the party. That's the first time I got that answer. So as you can see, I'm getting responses relatively quickly. This is another question I like to ask. The United States won the War of 1812. That gets us into another thing. Who creates who creates accuracy? Who's the one that says if something is right or not? I mean, when it comes to Google Maps, if there's a map dispute, Google will tell the people living in that country that their disputed land is theirs, and they'll do the same thing in the other place. I'm definitely gonna have to release Stable Diffusion on this one. Okay, I am just blown away by how quick that goes. I am just freaking blown away. So this thing does, it's usable. It's usable. What I'm trying to say here is they're always like, no, you have to have a CUDA compute score of 5.0. Yeah, check it out. Okay, so CUDA compute score 5.0. So what I'm trying to tell you is, here's the system requirements for Ollama. Ollama's saying it cuts out at 5.0. The GTX Titan X, that's like 4 generations further than the one I'm using. Trust me, I don't feel like ripping this video card out to show you that it runs slower, but it just definitely runs slower if you don't have the video card in with Ollama, though this thing has a... Yeah, and see, there's my GTX Titan 3.5, but it still works, which is lovely. Now, the thing I'm curious about is this thing's Ollama's supposed to take 8 gigabytes, but this VRAM only has 6. I'm not sure how this is running, but it does work. All right, getting 170 frames per second here on DirectX 9. Pretty good. DirectX 10 going at about 50 to 30 frames per second. And once it zooms into the tree and starts rotating, we're gonna see how good it really is. Okay, all right, I gotta say, I am blown away. I am freaking blown away that the card this old can do this well, because man, I've been working with a lot of laptops, a lot of PCs, and most video cards can't handle, especially this. Oh, yeah, couldn't handle that. Okay, man, I'm sorry about the dust, guys. I don't notice the dust until I'm looking at it off another screen. I swear junk shows up a lot better when you're viewing it off of a monitor of some sort. And you got my kid singing in the background. Please don't worry about him. He's having a good time, though. And yeah, DirectX 11 here at 59 frames per second. I'm really pleased with this video card, I have got to say. Seriously. And DirectX 12, we have 59 frames per second. I only got 16 gigs RAM on this thing, so I'm pretty pleased with this. So I think I paid about 50 Canadian shekels for mine because I got it on a deal. I was super happy to have the deal too. And it looks like you can pick this one up for about 100, but I'm not sure if I'd pay any more than 50. If I was going to pay 100, I would go and get the... You can actually find this, the Titan X. You can find this for about 150. I would rather go for that. It's significantly so much better. Hold up though, guys. I'm still going to do some audio game testing. As you can see here, we have 300 Spartans versus 10,000 chickens on Epic Battle Simulator. We're rocking about 60 frames per second. Those chickens don't stand a chance, but honestly, they usually take about 1 Spartan out with them. Could you imagine being that 1 Spartan killed by 10,000 chickens? Seriously. Go chickens, go. Oh, we got 2 down. We got 2 Spartans down with your shielder on it, Spartan boys. Yeah, the chickens are coming home to call. Oh, we got 3 Spartans down. The Spartans are dropping like flies. Look at those feathers all over. Oh yeah, by the way, for whoever wanted the pass mark GPU marks, here they are.
Hello, did anyone want to see me on a cliff somewhere?
Okay, so I got the Grand Theft Auto Master here, the military chief master, and we're getting a solid 60 frames per second all over, right in the middle of the city, messing around.
We're in Los Santos. Baby's called Los Santos.
Okay, so are we in the center of this city? Are we in the center of Los Santos?
My own car.
Okay, kids, so do you think this is better than your Xbox One S? This is better than your Xbox One S. So, and now you want me to get this hooked up in your room?
Yeah.
I mean, who would ever let a kid play Grand Theft Auto 5? Kids don't know how to play Grand Theft Auto 5. So yeah, that is the GTX Titan X original system. The thing's got some life in it. Don't count it out just yet. I definitely recommend checking this thing out if you have it and you want to mess with some video games, LLM, you don't have anything else, throw it in. Don't be afraid. Anyways, have a good one, folks. Take care of each other, eh?